Let me show you how to transfer your BTCs tokens to a Metamask wallet in Testnet from the Satoshi app, right? So this is the app. This is what it looks like. These are the different menus as you navigate them from the menu bar. So I'll leave you a link in the description box. By the way, what you need is a Metamask wallet and then the link that I'm about to show you, and not forgetting the important one, which is this Satoshi app, the one I'm currently logged into. So all you have to do is launch your Metamask wallet. So you launch your token, your Metamask wallet, and you go over to the top left here. You click on it and you go to the browser, and then you click here in order to have your search box. So you enter BTCs. So you enter scan.btcs. I'm leaving you the link in the description box. So here's the website: scan.test.btcs.network. That's what you're expected to enter a search for. So it will open this testnet web page for Satoshi. Mind you, this is just a testnet, right? It's not the mainnet yet where you can trade. So they're just trying to test how all these transactions can be actually carried out when the platform is fully launched, right? So you navigate to this place on this page and you click on Add Satoshi Network. So here is asking you to authenticate the connection of this platform to your wallet. I mean, the wallet that you're currently logged into on your MetaMask, right? So you have to allow this site to add network. So you click on Approve after going through all of that to understand what it means. And you click on Switch Network on the next interface. So you're on Satoshi Chain Testnet. It's not available in the network selector. So you click on Switch Network, and then you see the success pop out there. That means you have successfully switched the network and you've connected your BTCs testnet. So upon doing that, you can hit the menu top left again, and you need a wallet address, right? So you can just copy it. Make sure you're on the same wallet, right? So I'm on account 7, which means it's the wallet that has been connected. So you can just click here to I don't really want to change anything, so I just want to receive tokens. So you click on receive and then you copy the address. Then you head back to the Satoshi mysterious app, and on the mining interface there is somewhere you find add wallet address, right? Or you can equally just click on receive hash. By the way, there's something else I forgot to show you after adding dot wallet. So let's get back to the MetaMask. All right, so after connecting your wallet, your testnet BTCs to your MetaMask wallet, and then you come back to the content of your wallet and you find tbtcs, right? So what this means, the T at the back means testnet. We're already familiar with BTCs, which is like the second Bitcoin, right? So upon doing that, you automatically have this token added on your portfolio, right? So now you can just go on ahead. It's the same wallet up here. We can just click on it and click on receive and copy your address and go back to the Satoshi app. I just returned here to show you this step. This is what I was supposed to show you before going to the app. So let's go back here, and then you click on the mining. So from here you click on receive hash. Why is it receive hash? You're supposed to add your wallet, right? So but let's click on receive hash, and all right, so it says please add wallet first. So we click on add wallet, which is actually the first thing we're supposed to do. Now here, wallet address cannot be modified within 30 days. Okay, so you paste the wallet address you've copied from your MetaMask, you click on confirm, wallet adding successfully. So you close that. Now, as you can see, the wallet has been added. So you want to take a moment to view the rule description here. So it says how to participate in the testnet transfer transaction: add wallet address, generate a transaction at the wallet address, receive the hash once every day. After completing the transfer transaction, please wait for 1 minute before receiving the hash. It says receive 10K hash by participating in the testnet transfer transaction. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's something I forgot to tell you from the onset. From the start, before you can actually see some of these options, your application needs to be up to date, right? So how do you know your application is up to date? If it's not updated, you click on me, which is for the profile, and then here you will see a yellow notification that you should update the latest version. But if you don't see it, it means your application is up to date. Now let's get back to this place, and after adding your wallet address, make sure you still have the wallet address in your clipboard, right? So you can either go to back to the MetaMask, the app browser, or you can just go to any random browser and enter a link, which I'm leaving in the description box. All right, so this is the link you're entering this time. It's the same link like the one we used earlier, but this time around a faucet will be attached to the ending. So now you load it, right? So let me see if we can actually find that here. Okay, so you can just enter it and you load it. All right, so this is the next interface you see upon loading it. So you input your Satoshi chain address, right? Don't forget it's the same MetaMask wallet address you copied, right? So it doesn't matter if you're using the DApp feature or you're using a random browser, it's still the same thing. So now you click on get tbtcs, get SUSDT. Well, all of these are in testnet, right? So let's click on get tbtcs. All right, so founded success in transaction. So it means their English is quite funny. It's not the usual English that you know, but you just have to take it that way. So it says transaction has been successful. So now let's get back to the wallet and see. So I'm back to the wallet, and as you can see, my 1 TBTCS is right there in my wallet, right? There's no transaction history. So this is it. This is testnet, and it's not actually worth anything. They're actually trying to see how this can work successfully, so they can actually actualize it to mainnet comes June, right? I think that's 2 months away from now. This platform is one of the few airdrops that are legit, or one of the few mining airdrops that are legit, because even though their token itself has not yet launched, people are already making money from the BTC faucet right here. So look at my balance here. This is my Bitcoin balance. As you can see, it's about 138,000 Satoshis, right? And I've made a couple of withdrawals from this platform. Let me show you my BTC journey. I've withdrawn a couple of times from here, my assets. Okay, so this is it. This is my current balance. I have $55 worth of Bitcoin. Let me click on it to show you the history. These are the different withdrawals I've made from this platform. Some of them were cancelled, like this was cancelled. This was complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So I've withdrawn up to 5 times from this platform. So it's giving us all the confidence that this project will actually work and it will go big. I think a couple of weeks ago there was this stuff that was trending on the social media that says when this platform launches, 1 BTCs will be equivalent to I think Ethereum, 1 Ethereum or half, or I can't really remember exactly what was said, but it's the there are assumptions that the price of the BTCs will be really high compared to other cryptocurrencies. So let's just hope that it turns out to be true, even though prices of airdrops or of cryptocurrency generally is not all that predictable before launching. But let's hope it works out good. So that's it, guys. Remember, they say you can do that after how much amount of time? I think I said something about that. All right, rule description. After completing the transfer transaction, please wait for 1 minute before receiving the hash. Okay, so my hash is supposed to increase because it's been up to 1 minute. So let me click on receive hash now to see. Please send transaction successful to receive the hash. How do I even know if my hash has been increased? Well, let's hope it has. So this is my hash. Unfortunately, there's no way you can know when or how you've got a hash in recent times, but let's hope it's been increased. I don't know how often you can actually send this, but additionally, what you can do is you can get your friend's wallet address and send these tokens to them, right? Because the platform actually want us to test transfers as many times as you can to see how it will actually work when it's actually get into use. So get your friends' wallets and send these tokens to them and make them understand that it's testnet and they can't use it for any purpose. I know some people are actually looking forward to selling tokens for money. We are not there yet, right? So make them understand so you don't get their hopes high. So that's all I want to share for now. You can actually try sending it to my wallet. I'll leave my wallet in the description box, so you just send it to me. Remember, as you're sending, the benefit of doing this is you're getting your hash is increasing, which thereby increasing your earnings. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.